Enough with the struggles and the trial errors. Okay, you're staring at a blank page wondering, what business should I start? Like, what if I told you AI could choose the one for you? Not just any random idea, but one tailored to skills, passions, and even your lifestyle. We're talking about letting ChatGPT be your personal business coach. And the best part? I'm going to walk you through the exact prompts I used, step by step. Let's get into it. Look, gone are the days of throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. Guessing your business idea is like playing the lottery. You get lucky, but chances are you're wasting time, money, and honestly, your confidence. Most people fail in business not because they lack the hustle, but because they're going after the wrong idea. It's like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. You're not even equipped for the race. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket that's read every business book, analyzed every market trend, and knows exactly what it takes to succeed. This isn't about replacing your gut instinct. It's about giving you a massive head start with data-driven insights. Think about it. In the past, you would have spent hours, days, even weeks researching different business ideas. That's where this AI comes in. This is about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's be real. ChatGPT isn't just some chatbot you're arguing with at 2 a.m. This thing is an idea machine, and it's way smarter than you think. It can process information faster than you can say business plan, and it's constantly learning and evolving. But here's the key. You gotta know how to use it. Think of ChatGPT as your business partner, one that never sleeps and has a ridiculous work ethic. It can analyze your skills, your background, even that weird thing you're good at that nobody else gets. It digs into your strengths, figures out your weaknesses, and even considers how much risk you're comfortable with. ChatGPT can suggest businesses that are actually scalable. We're talking about ideas with the potential to grow beyond just you, to build a team, maybe even become the next big thing. That's the power of this tool. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. We're diving into the core of what makes AI truly shine. Here's the thing about AI. It's like a superpowered blender. It can mix and process information at lightning speed. You put garbage in, you get garbage out. It's as simple as that. But if you feed it the right stuff, you get pure gold. Quality input equals quality output. And trust me, we're going for gold. We want the best results possible. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you have to be specific. Vague instructions won't cut it. Don't just tell it you want to start a business. That's too broad. Give it the juice. Tell it about your skills, your work history, even that weird hobby you're secretly amazing at. The more context, the better. Here's the magic prompt. ChatGPT, based on the following skills, experience, and passions, what are 3 business ideas I should consider in 2025? Insert your skills plus work history plus what you enjoy, plus how much time you have, plus income goals. This level of detail is crucial. Don't be shy. Get granular. The more you share, the more tailored the advice. The more detail you give it, the better it can understand you and your potential. It's like having a personal consultant. It's like having a custom suit tailored to your exact measurements. The fit is perfect, and the results are outstanding. Okay, let's make this real. Imagine you're ready to take your skills to the next level. Let's say you're a social media whiz. You spend your days crafting the perfect tweets, you've got more Instagram followers than your cat, and you secretly love dealing with people most of the time. Your knack for creating engaging content is unmatched. You also have some customer service experience from that time you worked at the Apple Store, and you're passionate about helping others. You thrive in environments where you can make a difference. So you plug all that into the prompt. ChatGPT, based on my skills in social media and customer service, my passion for helping others, and my experience creating engaging content, what are 3 business ideas I should consider in 2025? Now, ChatGPT goes to work. It starts by understanding your unique strengths and experiences. It crunches the data, analyzes the trends, and hits you with not just 1 but 3 solid business ideas tailored to you. These ideas are designed to leverage your skills and passions. It might suggest something like 1. Personal brand and coaching. You could leverage your social media skills to build an audience and then offer coaching services based on your expertise. 2. UGC content creation. Brands are dying for authentic content. They need someone who understands the nuances of social media. You could create user-generated content for businesses in your niche, using your experience to make it pop. 3. Niche service-based business. This could be anything from social media management to specialized consulting. All right, now before you go all in on an idea just because ChatGPT suggested it, we got to make sure it's legit. You don't want to waste time and resources on something that won't fly. This is where validation comes in. It's a crucial step that can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Think of it like checking the weather before you leave the house. You don't want to get caught in a storm unprepared. First, Google it. See what's out there, who's already doing it, and what the competition looks like. This will give you a sense of the landscape. Don't be discouraged if there are others in the space. That means there's a market for it. Competition can be a good sign. Next, head over to TikTok. Seriously, this is where trends are born. It's a hotbed for new ideas and viral content. Search your idea and see what kind of content is popping up. Are people engaging with it? Are people talking about it? Is there buzz around it? Are businesses already offering it? This can give you insights into market demand. This is a gold mine of real-time market research. Use it to your advantage. Then go deeper with Google Trends. See if people are actually searching for this idea, if it's gaining traction, or if it's yesterday's news. Finally, ask ChatGPT itself. Hit it with who are the top 5 people in this niche. This will give you an idea of the key players, what they're doing right, and where the gaps are. Armed with this information, you can make a more informed decision about your idea. Okay, so you've got your idea, you've validated it, and now you're ready to make it happen. But before you start printing business cards, we need a plan. And guess what? ChatGPT's got you covered. Instead of shelling out thousands of dollars for a consultant or spending weeks locked in your room trying to figure out the financial projections, you can literally ask ChatGPT to build a business plan for you. The prompt is simple but powerful. Build a business plan for idea number 1, including startup costs, marketing, pricing model, and ways to grow it online. What you'll get back is basically a mini MBA in a document. ChatGPT will outline everything from your target audience and value proposition to your marketing strategy and financial forecasts. It's like having a personal business coach distilling years of knowledge into a digestible, actionable plan. And the best part is, it's tailored to your specific idea. All right, so you've got the idea, you've got the plan, and now it's time to get your hands dirty and start building. But before you dive in head first, let's make sure you've got the right tools for the job. And you guessed it, ChatGPT's got your back. Just ask it, what tools will I need for this business idea? And just like that, ChatGPT will become your personal tech consultant. It'll recommend the best software, platforms, and resources for your specific needs. Need help building a website? ChatGPT might recommend platforms like Squarespace or Wix. Looking for an email marketing service? It might point you towards MailChimp or ConvertKit. Struggling with social media management? It might suggest tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend who's always there to help you troubleshoot and optimize your digital toolkit. Let's be real for a second. Starting a business can be expensive. Between hiring coaches, buying courses, and investing in all the shiny tools, you could easily drop thousands of dollars before you even make your first sale. But here's the beauty of using ChatGPT. It's essentially giving you all of that for free. Think about it. You're getting business ideas, market validation, a detailed business plan, a customized marketing strategy, and even a launch sequence, all without spending a dime. It's like having a free 24/7 business consultant on speed dial. So instead of draining your bank account on expensive courses and coaches, invest that money back into your business. All right, so you've got everything you need, the idea, the plan, the tools. Now it's time to take action. Because at the end of the day, ideas are just that, ideas. It's the execution that separates the dreamers from the doers. First things first, buy the domain name. This is your little piece of internet real estate, so make it count. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your brand. Next, build a simple landing page. You don't need anything fancy, just a clean, professional-looking page that clearly communicates what you offer and how to get in touch. Then, it's time to launch your offer. Promote it on social media, reach out to your network, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Starting a business is hard work. But it's also one of the most rewarding things you can do. It's about taking control of your future, building something you're passionate about, and creating a life on your own terms. And the craziest part is, you're just one solid business idea away from changing everything. So, what are you waiting for? Fire up ChatGPT, start brainstorming, and get ready to build the business of your dreams. The future is yours for the taking. So, are you ready to let ChatGPT be your secret weapon in the business world? Let me know in the comments what ideas it sparked for you. And hey, if you're struggling to craft the perfect prompts, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to download my free ChatGPT Business Prompts PDF in the description. It's packed with even more powerful prompts to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT for your business. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered strategies to build your dream life. Because in a world where technology is constantly evolving, the ones who thrive are those who embrace the change.